friends, my name is Kiyansh Jadhav. Let's go. I will show you my tent. Hey friends, this is my Nerf gun. It has 2 bullets on. It's really in 4 bullets. So let me show you how we have to shoot it.
Whoa!
Wow! I will shoot it again because there are 2. See, this is my sword. See, I am a soldier. This is my car key. I will show you this. These are the small cars. We have to put it right here. It goes like zigzag, zigzag, zo. One more tap. Again. See, zigzag, zigzag. Let me show you my books. See, this is my SpongeBob books. Its name is, and the winner is, see, one Patrick and SpongeBob. Patrick slipped and Krusty Krab. Here, SpongeBob. Hey, the customers. Now let me show you the mandala coloring.
Whoa.
This is the mandala coloring book. See, my color. See, this is one coloring and this is not finished and this is also not finished. But this is finished.
Wow.
Let me show you another. This is a pillow, this is a pillow, this is a pillow, this is a pillow, this is a pillow. This is orange color and this is blue color and black color. And down is a mattress. Friends, let me show you my guitar. See, this is my guitar. Let me show you how it works. See? You like my guitar? It was good, no? Yeah. So friends, hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. And remember, don't be sad and be happy always.